Umentri rangba kejala konrad ke sangma hagasngi palai ula Aiti yaki shithi thungkam shaki sauspa arpusan ngut ki Doktor Junior Specialist Medical Officer bat ki Dental Surgeon ki bla thungkam thumai ban lit chakri hakeleng ki jaka sumar hapo kejala. Kejing priang yakini kejing rungkam thumai yakini ki Doktor lapen long hapo State Convention Center Shillong bat lapen chongkun yaka dak menteri ka kot kakhia Dr. Amprin Lingdo badu menteri katanat PHE Marquis N Marak. Haba ai kublai yakini ki doktor badang shuyo akam thamai menteri rangba ula kintu yaki bakin tray da kajing IT med bat mensim pada kajing trang ban chakri yaka imlang salang. Menteri rangba ula ong bakani ka sarkar baminta kala phai khmat bat khengkong san bhai ka kot kakhia bat kani kala phalang na kamang tingka jong kajala ha ka ba sarkar kala ai benta jan 5% na kamang tingka kajala chaka kot kakhia. Ula ong bakamang tingka syakatanat ka kot kakhia kadai ka bahedu hapo kari bat kajing thumu ka long pin khlan bat pin kalalut nadong hadong yaki kam bayadai bat ka kot kakhia.
Health plays a very, very important role, and it had not got the kind of importance that it deserved in the many past years. You'll be happy to know that the budget provision that we give to health today in terms of percentage is the highest in the country. We are giving 8% of our budget to health, and this has gone up more than double. When we started off, it was less than 5%, around 4-point-something%, and today over 8% of our budget we spend on health and the other related activities. And therefore, recruitment of doctors is one part, is that we are planning to put up administrative housing units in all the district headquarters, and as many of the hospitals, PHCs, CHCs, depending on the different categories, we'll be having different housing places. So rather than having a separate housing for the doctors and a separate housing for the engineers and a separate housing for MCS officers, we'll have administrative housing complexes.